The weather in England can change very quickly. One day last week, I went for a walk in the country. When I started early in the morning, the weather was beautiful. The sun was shining, the sky was blue, and there were no clouds at all. In the middle of the morning, a sudden change came. A cool wind started to blow, black clouds covered the sun, and in a very short time it started to rain heavily. There were no houses inside, and I had no coat with me. So I got very wet indeed and very cold too. After about an hour, I managed to catch a bus which took me home. But when I arrived, I was shivering and sneezing. I have had a cold ever since. I ought to have taken my coat. We sometimes say that England is the only country where you can have four seasons in one day.